Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting tutorial for you on how to add a profile link on Gmail. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your device and locate the Google option. Step 2. Tap on Manage your Google account to access your account settings. Step 3. Once inside, navigate to the top and select Personal Info. Step 4. Under the section labeled Choose What Others See, tap on Go to About Me. Step 5. Look for the option to add more about you and click on it. Step 6. Now, it's time to add the profile link. Simply click on the Add Profile Link button. Step 7. Finally, don't forget to save your changes by clicking on the Save button. And there you have it. You've successfully added a profile link on Gmail. This feature allows you to showcase your online presence and connect with others through your profile. It's a great way to personalize your Gmail experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.